I'm happy today, and all thanks to this beautiful community led by our own Sriram. I don't know. I mean, I didn't expect to monetize this soon, especially in a month's time with 8 videos. And I did share this the last weekend as well. But then Sriram actually told me in the next couple of days, it'll be completely monetized. It just took me another 3, 4 days to get those 300 subscribers, and it's done now. I'm very happy. Thank you. I'm so grateful. You want to reiterate some of the things that I actually picked from this community. I literally had to follow whatever was told. I had to unlearn whatever I did 2 years ago. I mean, the last 2 years before joining the community, unlearn and learn new things. So that is very difficult because we always think that we know everything. I know this. I can do it this way. But that didn't really help. What helped me was to create content that people want to watch, not what I want to do. Earlier, my approach was actually list out what I want to do, what I want to show to people, what I want to teach people. I slightly shifted my approach from there after hearing Sriram say that you have to go for what people want. Um, that's when I started researching what really people want. Um, uh, Probably the type of meditation, if they really want this or not. Uh, for me and my Kannada channel, somebody really didn't look up to for gratefulness or kindness and loving meditation at all. There was no such uh, demand actually. But when I did a little more research, actually, in fact, to be very honest, I did very little research and I only went by what's in demand when I put in my efforts. So I saw there are only few topics that are people crazy for. These are the only dhyana people want to do, and those are the ones I picked up first before going to the next set that I had built based on the demand. And it did work for me. And the second thing that I want to reiterate from last week is Shiran literally told me, Vijeta, stop. Who's going to watch your video if they are not 8 minutes longer? And how will they fall asleep in 8 minutes? That entire day kept me thinking, how did I not think this way? Maybe I had preoccupied thoughts where I thought, okay, 5 minutes, 10 minutes is what I have to restrict. In that, I'm done with my work. No, it was not that. I had to create an impact on people. I had to talk in certain way that literally put people into sleep or put them into ease to feel after meditation. The feel good factor should come out. Um, that I realized after I seeing comments that came on the videos. Uh, and they were so grateful, such humble people. And they were like, somebody told me, Akka, I was flying in the sky. You took me well high above, but you brought me back so soon. And that brought some smile on face. But then I also realized maybe it should be a little longer to hold people there in that state and bring them back later eventually. So I actually like follower like Hanuman. I literally follow whatever Sriram told. If not on the classes during the classes, but at least I went back to some of the older recordings to only learn the newer things. And one best thing that helped me was the thumbnails. In fact, uh, thumbnails. I thought bring something relevant and write whatever you want to write. No, it didn't help before on my previous channel, but what helped me here was to make it so relevant that I don't have to talk too much on the thumbnail, but people should be attracted to it. And writing was also not too cluttered, very minimal. um, Whether they either read the thumbnail content or the title, but they should get the gist out of it. Okay, this is what I'm getting out of this video. That also one of the sessions Sriram told, this thumbnail is good, but it's not giving the exact impact. It's not making an impact, or it's repetitive on your title or on your thumbnail. You should make it clickable. People should not hesitate to click on it, but you should make sure they click on your video out of the list. So I started thinking in that way also. Then I thought, let me make them very, very simple. No clutter, no additional extra elements on the thumbnail. I minimized everything, though Canva gave thousand things, but minimized completely, and that started working for me. Everything was 1 month's effort. I'm so grateful, humbled, and thank you so much to all of you. I'm very grateful.
Brilliant, brilliant, Vijeta. Very happy to hear that, and I'm super excited to see you on the stage.
Thank you.
Again, as I
Thank you so
mentioned,
much.
it has
Thank
just
you.
gone for printing. Yesterday, the name also was there. So amazing. Good, good,
Thank you.
good, good, good. Keep
Yeah,
rocking.
I just made $1 yesterday and I'm happy. Thank you.
Amazing.
Thank
So
you
let
so
that one become 100, 100 become 1,000, 1,000 become 10,000 and more.
much. September 16th, the monetization approval came.
Brilliant, brilliant, brilliant. Very happy to hear that. Thank you,
Thank
Vijay.
you.
So
And
overall, I would
thanks to
say
all of you, all the entire community. I'm so humble. I'm so grateful. Thank you, all of you.
brilliant. So overall, I would say about 3 months of you starting this channel.
Yeah, July, August, September.
Okay,
2.5 months.
2.5 months monetized. Brilliant.
Yes. Yeah.
Good, good, good. Thank you for
Thank
sharing
you.
that.
Thank you so much. Thanks, all of you.